Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. In today's video, I'm super excited because today I'll be working with Lense.me.com on this video. This video is not sponsored, however, they did send me some more of their contact lenses. If you guys haven't seen my previous Lense.me video, definitely check it out. It was when I discovered literally the best contacts ever for brown eyes. And you guys really enjoyed that video. A lot of you guys checked out their contact lenses and really enjoyed it too. So they sent me another box of some more lenses that they have. Oops. And I figured that I would share them with you guys, let you guys know how they look, let you guys know what I think of these lenses. Also, if you don't know who Lense.me.com is, they're basically a retailer in Dubai. They're actually the #1 retailer that sells Solotica contact lenses. They also sell a variety of other brands of contact lenses. In my last video though, I literally found my favorite pair of contact lenses ever. I've literally been wearing them so many of my videos, so I'm excited to see if I will find another favorite in this video. Before you go anywhere, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Monday, Wednesday, Friday when I upload. I love you guys, and let's jump into the video. So before we get started, if you like any of the contact lenses that I mentioned in this video, I'll have everything linked down below, as well as my discount code with Lense.me. If you use the code Janelle in all caps, you'll get some money off, which is really nice. So these were the ones, or like the brands that they sent me last time. They have like the Hydrocor ones. These ones are contact lenses that don't have like that darker rim on the outside. 2 of the Hydrocors that don't have the darker rim, and then they sent me one of the natural color ones, the ones that do have that darker rim on the outside. Oh, and then they also sent me these Solotica lenses in Aquarella, but these are one-day lenses. So I know that these ones, the Hydrocor and the natural color ones, these range for about like $40 for the lenses. So I'm curious to see how much the one-day lenses are. So they're $25 for a pack of 10. They're good for one-time use. So I guess that's not bad if you were interested in just trying out the lenses. And then I know that these ones will last you for up to a year. The Hydrocolor ones and the natural color ones, those last you a year, but these ones will last you a day, but you get 10. So I have these Aquarella ones. These are in the color, I think it's called Cyan or Cyan Blue. I'll leave the names and everything up here. I'm terrible at pronouncing things. So they come in little packets that look like this. Ooh, these look interesting. You get 5 days worth, because since there's 10 of these and you have 2 eyes, that would equate to 5 days. I also am smart and I didn't put on false eyelashes for this video, because last time my eyes were watering and my lashes were lifting. These are so much fun. So this is the Aquarella one-day lens on one eye. So I have it on this side versus this side. And for $25, I think that is so affordable for, you know, getting 5 uses out, because like I said, I don't wear these contact lenses every day. I mean, but if you just want them for like beauty purposes or to switch up your look once in a while, I think this is cool how they have these more like temporary ones. So the only thing that I will say, I feel like with these lenses, they look cool, they look realistic from afar, but when you look at them up close, they look more like contact lenses, whereas these ones that I try, these Solotica, like Hydrocor and natural color ones, the 1-year lenses, I feel like these guys look more realistic. These are still a lot of fun, and it's crazy how much that covers up my dark brown eyes. Holy crap, it kind of looks scary. Whoa, they look kind of cool in pictures. I'm gonna insert the picture of it here. So these definitely photograph really nice, but like I said, in person you can see like they just look more contact-y, but they're still so cool and fun. So my mom really liked these ones. I'm probably gonna give her the other ones that come in this pack because she's been really wanting color contacts. So I'll obviously give her like these. All right, so I'm gonna put these off. These are so cool, I kind of don't want to take them off. So they also sent me one in the kind sea green. These are definitely less intense than the last ones that I showed. And to me, these look a lot more realistic, especially on my eyes. I really like these. All right, so these are the sea green ones. I want to get closer so you guys can see. I like these because they're not as dramatic. Like, I like to sometimes lighten my eyes a little bit without making them too intense. This will be another one of my favorites. Switch up your look, but you still look kind of like yourself. You don't look like a whole other person, you know what I mean? So now I'm gonna try out the Solotica natural color lenses in Quartzo. Look at how janky I just opened this. I can't do anything right in life. But you know what else is cool about these lenses is that they come with the contact case. These guys come in like these little glass jars like this. Ooh. See, like these lenses I feel like look a lot more realistic. I don't know what they do. I think it's because they use like a variety of tones or so. This is Quartzo. It's like a nice, like, to me almost like a sea foamy green. And I personally, I like the darker rim on the outer edge. I feel like it looks more realistic. So this is it on this side versus my super dark brown eye. It's crazy how much it covers like the intensity of my dark eyes. I love this because this is like a dramatic difference. It's kind of like in between the other two colors I tried, the sea green and the cyan or cyan blue, however you say that. It's like right in the middle where you get that drama, but I feel like the darker rim on the outside just makes it a little bit more wearable for me. Like it's not too intense, but still so pretty. And it looks so realistic, it's crazy. This might be one of my new favorites. I'm not even just saying that. Back to my brown eyes we go. It's crazy the difference. That looks like literally two different people. We are going to try the Hydrocor Real lenses. Ipanema? I don't know. I'm gonna leave, like I said, all the names up here. And like I said, the difference from the natural color one, the one that I just tried on, versus the Solotica Hydrocor ones, are that these ones won't have that darker rim on the outside. So what's cool is that the cases for the Hydrocor ones are darker blue and the natural color ones are lighter blue. So if you do order like multiple of these pairs, I feel like that's cool because then it'll be easy to remember which ones are which. And these also come in the same glass bottles. And like I mentioned earlier, these ones that I'm trying, the natural color Solotica lenses ones and the Hydrocor Solotica lenses, those you can get prescription. Just looking at the lens, it has like a yellow green in the inside and then like a lighter blue on the outside. I think that's what makes this type of Solotica lens look more natural because they use, like I said, the multiple colors to like blend in with your eye. Wow, these are very pretty. I can't tell if this is like a blue green. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at the difference. This is my natural eye versus the lens. Look at that. And they give such a realistic vibe. It's crazy. So I'm gonna try it on the other eye. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, but what's also great about these lenses when you order from Lense.me is that they ship super fast. So this is it on both eyes. Super captivating. Sorry, my makeup was like running everywhere, but I just love it. You know what I also love about these lenses is that whenever I wear them, I don't feel like I need to do as much makeup. Like even when I use the softer ones that aren't as bold as this, I feel like they make such a statement that I can keep like the rest of my eyes really soft. And it's just like a fun way, like I said, to switch up your look. You can play with like different eyeshadow combinations that are going to complement this eye color. So it just kind of like gives yourself a different canvas to work with, especially when you're used to working with like your same eye color and stuff all the time. It's just really nice to switch it up once in a while, you know? Don't get me wrong, I love my brown eyes, but I think it is still fun to, like I said, just switch things up. So now we're gonna apply the last ones. So, ooh, there must be a difference. Forgot to mention them. So these are Hydrocor in Avella. However, this is regular Hydrocor, whereas this one was Hydrocor Rio. Okay, so that's the only difference. So the Hidrocor Rio is, I guess, a collection that they do every year. So they have like 4 new colors that they came out with, and they're just like different, more vibrant colors. I don't know if it's for all the lenses, but I will find out and let you know in the description box. But they are $39.50 per lens. So it would be about $80 altogether for both lenses for the Hydrocore Solotica lenses, which are like these kind that I just tried on, not the first ones that came in like the single pack. So the last couple ones, those will definitely be more of an investment. To me though, those look more natural. However, if you just wanted to like get a feel for switching up your eye color and you didn't want to spend $80 right away, I think that these ones would be a good way to like test them out. So now that that answers that, let's try the last pair on. So like I said, these are in the color Avella. Ooh, holy. I feel like I keep saying everyone is my favorite, but these are so pretty. This is like a honey color. Oh my gosh, I always wish my eyes were like this color. It's almost like a mustard, green, yellow, hazel. This is so different. And again, it's bold, but since it's not like a bright green or blue, it still to me seems wearable. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this. So this is obviously my natural eye color versus the lenses. And it just blends in so nice, like it's crazy. This would be so much fun to do like bolder eye looks with. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the other eye. I love this. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I wish my eyes, why couldn't I be born with this eye color? This is it on both eyes. I'm so obsessed. Holy crap, I'm definitely not taking these off. I'm obsessed. This is seriously my favorite pair of the video and also the last pair, so I'm glad I saved the best for last. These, again, they're like the right amount of boldness but not too intense. The color is so unique, and again, these are in the color Avella. Also, if there's any lenses that you like, I will leave everything linked down below, as well as my discount code Janelle in all caps, and you can save some money off of your purchase. I would get a commission, however, like I said, this is like my 100% honest feedback. I love these lenses. I love Lense.me. I think that they are a great company. The lenses that they sell are amazing and they're definitely worth checking out. So like I said, I'll have all that linked down below. Overall, I think all the lenses are great. Like I mentioned, the last 3 lenses that I tried on, these will last you up to a year. They are $39 per lens, so they're more of an investment, but if you're somebody that wears colored contacts every day, I think it would be worth it. They are super comfortable on the eye. Like I honestly forget that I have the lenses on, and they are a little more realistic. The first ones that I tried, the one-day lenses that come with a pack of 5 or a pair of 5 for $25, those do still give you a realistic vibe, but they just look a little bit more contact-y. But I feel like, honestly, like if you just wanted to wear them for a day, or you wanted to get a feel for like a couple different shades, I feel like that's such a good buy to get a pair of 5 for 25 bucks, and you know, they still look really good. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys found it helpful. I'm literally obsessed with these lenses. I never want to take them off. I love you all so much. I pray that you all stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!